Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can fix our Spotify Wrapped not working problem. So in my case, the moment I open Spotify, at the top right corner it shows me Wrapped. I can click on it and click on your Wrapped and start watching my Wrapped inside Spotify. But in your case, if you're not able to see the option Wrapped, what you can do is first update your Spotify. Sometimes you not updating your Spotify also causes this problem. So do that. And even after updating your Spotify, if you still don't see it, then you want to go to your browser, and on your browser you just want to search for Spotify Wrapped. Once you search for Spotify Wrapped, the 2023 Wrapped option, click on it. Once you click on it, what you want to do is click on listen on Spotify, and the Spotify app will automatically open up and it's going to show you your Wrapped on Spotify. So you can click on open at the top right corner and your Spotify will open up and you should be able to see your Wrapped just like this. That is one way to do it. And even after doing this, if you're still not able to see the Wrapped on Spotify, what you need to do is just delete your Spotify app and re-download it again. Once you delete and re-download your Spotify app, your problem should be fixed if it is caused by some kind of bug. And if it's still not fixed, then you could be facing this problem. So in this Spotify account of mine, I haven't listened to much music this year. So if I click on Wrapped and I click on your Wrapped, and over here I click on where it says check it out once it appears, nothing is going to be shown to me because I haven't used this account that much. For you to be able to see your Wrapped on Spotify, you need to have to listen to more than I think like 3 hours of music in a year, and I haven't listened to 3-hour music this year. So nothing is being displayed over here for me on my Wrapped because Spotify does not have enough data to show me my Wrapped. So I hope you understand why you're facing this problem and how you guys can fix it. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.